Alright, it's Tuesday. Just getting a little petting before dinner. Mama kind of likes it. Well, for a second she did. Hey, Weedy. She's still purring. What's her doing? There's a good girl. Don't forget her brother. What are you doing? Brother and sister. I was petting Mama. Come on, player. Come on, player. Look at Blair. He likes it. He's a good boy. Somebody's rubbing the phone. Alright, what is he doing? He's a good boy. Old sensitive brother just don't seem to come over no more. Come on, Mama. Look at Mama. She won't do it. Oh, he's coming over a little bit. Come on, sensitive brother. I bet Rowdy would let me pet him. Alright, you know he is. Somebody's just sitting here purring. What is that gonna bite me? What are you gonna bite me? There's a good girl. There's gonna bite me. Oh, but he'll pick on the girl. Alright, well, everyone's waiting for dinner, so let me go ahead and make some dinner. Just want to get some petting in before. There's Jules. No one's Mama. Sensitive brother. I got a call for Rowdy. He don't never come right away. Oh, here goes Maya. Maybe she'll get some petting. Nope. Let's see who hogs it all up. He's just a good boy. He is a good boy. Alright, thanks for watching.